How we doing, everybody? This is That Our Nerd coming at you with a quick video on how to delete columns within Pandas. Now I have some good news and some bad news. The bad news is if you're looking for a crappy video that doesn't show you how to do what you want and it takes 10 minutes, then this is not the video for you. Just kidding, but we'll knock this out here in like legit 1 minute. So here we go. We're going to use the iris data set as our example. So we'll say from sklearn.datasets import load iris. We'll run that, and then we'll import pandas as PD, because of course we're dealing with a pandas data frame, and then we'll say iris is equal to load iris. And let's just run those really quick. Alright, and then the last thing we'll do is we'll make our data. So we're going to turn this into a pandas data frame. And we're going to take iris and, well, I guess it's iris dot data. So anyways, we're looking in here and we're getting the data out of it. And then we're going to name some columns so that we can delete these here columns. So we'll say the first one is 0, 1, 2, 3. All right, so we're just naming our columns 0, 1, 2, 3. So if we take a look at this data frame, we have our columns up top and then our data down below. Let's say that we wanted to delete column 1. How you would do that is simply with the data.drop. And then in quotes, you put whatever your column name that you want to drop is. And so for this one, we're going to drop column 1. And then the second one is you put just a number 1, not in quotes, right? And this is because we're doing columns. If you put a 0, it means you're trying to drop rows. So we want to drop the column name 1 with the number 1 is going to be our column. And so if we do that, we see, boom, the column's gone. How nice. Most of the times you're going to want to save this though, so you're either going to have to retype in data is equal to, or even better again is you can do an in place. So we'll say in place is equal to true, and if we do that and we come back to data, we now see that it is missing column 1. The last way I'll say you can do this real quick, which is not really the approved way for pandas, but you can do it nonetheless. You can throw a delete, so del data, and then whatever column you want to delete. So we'll just delete the third column. And we see now that we have only column 0 and 2 left. So there it was, the fire quick video. If you enjoyed or learned something, make sure to press like so other people can find this video. Subscribe if you want more of the best pandas and Python content. It's right here. And you have a good day. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. We'll see you.